Hey students, Mark Ferrier here, and this video is going to go over the reading review activities. So notice that I have open here, or I'm going to click through, this is reading review activity 1, number 2, number 3. All the reading review activities function the same way, so I'm making one video for each activity. So I will place this video at the start of each and every reading review activity. It'll just be the same video. So once you've watched it first, if you've gotten the hang of it, you can then kind of skip the video. But otherwise, if you need a refresher, keep coming back to this video. So essentially, the way these reading review activities work is they're going to ask you to take they're going to ask you to look at the readings, and then you're going to answer some questions and follow along. So this assignment here says, after completing the readings for Module 1, which you can find here, this is Module 1, so you'll see here table of contents, and down here Module 1 drafting, and then if you'll scroll down, you'll see Module 1 overview, and then you'll see all these readings here listed for Module 1. So you'll want to review those carefully, read those. Then once you read those, you're going to come back to the reading review activity. You're going to answer these questions. Again, this was for Module 1. If you were in reading activity number 2, it would say, after completing the readings for Module 2, attempt the following. And then here for the readings for number 3, it asks you to do the readings for Module 3 and so on. So you'll do those readings that you'll find for every module here on the left side under each module, the readings. Then you'll read those readings, and then you'll come back and you'll take a question. So this is fill in the missing words. What is the appeal to logic? You'll write in the appeal to logic here. You'll hit check. It'll give you a message. So let's say test. I'm going to hit check, and it'll say, oh no, you didn't do it right. So you get an opportunity to go back, retry, show the solution, and then you'll click here to move on to the next one. And notice these down here tell you how far you have progressed through this, and then your grade will get calculated at the end. And you'll see there are different questions and exercises. So this was the Module 1 activity. For Module 2, this is asking you to read on logical fallacies, and then review the definitions of logical fallacies by dragging the name. So here you would drag. So each activity is a little bit different and unique. Read through each one, make sure you have a clear understanding. If you don't or have an issue with that, let me know. But essentially, this is how you complete the reading review activities for all the modules. So there will be 7 of these. You would just follow the instructions, make sure you note here, and then when you get to the last one, there'll be an opportunity to check or at the end of each one, there'll be an opportunity to check, and at the very end, if you want to retake it, you can retake it as well. So if you have questions about this reading review activity or anything else, let me know.